Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make baked tofu. Really easy and simple recipe. You can enjoy with any your vegan or vegetarian dishes, and it takes really few ingredients, and as you can see, it's nice and soft inside and nicely coated from all the side. So if you guys enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And now let's get started with the recipe. Here I'm using 1 block of extra firm tofu. Now we need to use dry tofu. So with my paper towel here, I'm going to soak off the all excess moisture from it. You want to make sure that there is no moisture in it. And now I'm going to cut this into a cube size pieces. So first I'm going to cut it from the center. I'm going to cut my tofu into small to medium size cubes, but whatever you prefer, you can keep them large or rectangle shape, whatever you prefer and you're using for it. You can shape it or cut it accordingly. And now I'm just going to add all my cubed tofu into this bowl and going to put it aside for now. Here I have taken 3-4 tablespoons of cornstarch. If you want to replace this, you can also use nutritional yeast. Into this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of chili powder. If you like spicy, add this. Otherwise, you can omit it if you don't like the heat. Now adding half teaspoon of salt, followed by freshly crushed black pepper, adding about 1/4 teaspoon. Here is all our coating and spices mixture is ready. Now I'm just going to give this a quick mix. You can definitely adjust the spices according to your preference. Now I would like to mention one thing. Before even we start cooking this or cutting the tofu, you want to preheat your oven at 400° Fahrenheit. So meanwhile you prepare all this, your oven will be ready. Now at this point, if your oven is not preheated already, you don't want to mix these two ingredients. Just because we have used salt, it will make tofu to release more moisture and we don't want that. So only mix when your oven is ready and preheated and you're ready to bake this. And now I'm going to add this coating mixture in batches. So add a bit and then mix it. Try to mix it with the spoon, but the reason I'm using bowl because I can just shake it and make it much easier to mix this and to coat this tofu. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the lid on and just shake it a little bit, but be gentle. As you can see, it coats so fast and easy. So as you can see, our tofu pieces are nicely covered and ready to be baked. Now here I have my baking tray and parchment paper ready, and I'm just going to dump this tofu onto my baking tray and now gently just spread it. And now I'm going to bake this at 400° Fahrenheit for 40 minutes and flipping them over in midway. So after 20 minutes, you want to flip them over. And if you want to do 30 minutes, then you can bake them at 425° Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and flip them over in after 15 minutes. This is after 20 minutes of baking. Now I'm going to flip them over. As you can see, they're looking really nice from the bottom. Now be careful here, if they're sticking to your pan or parchment paper, you want to give them a couple of seconds to cool down. Once they cool down, they're really easy to flip it over. So be patient, otherwise you will lose the coating from your tofu. And now I will bake for another 20 minutes. And my tofus are out of the oven, and look at this, it looks so nice and crispy and well coated, and look at this from the inside, looks so yummy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.